So let us see this question. Find even and odd components of the following signals. So here 4 questions are given A, B, C, D. We have to find out even and odd components of these discrete time signals. So as I have given formulas in earlier session, the even component of x of n is equal to x of n plus x of minus n by 2. The odd component is x of n is equal to x of n minus x of minus n by 2. I use these two formulas to calculate the even component and the odd component of given discrete time signal x of n. So let us see the first problem of this case. So x of n, what is the given sequence? Minus 3, 1, 2, minus 4, 2. So arrow is given here. So therefore wherever the arrow, keep n is equal to 0 there. So this is n is equal to 1 sample, this is n is equal to 2 sample, this is n is equal to minus 1 sample, this is n is equal to minus 2 sample. So first plot the time reversal or time reversal sequence. So what is time reversal? X of minus n is the time reversal. That means fold the signal x of n about n is equal to 0. That means bring right side samples to the left side and left side samples to the right side. So therefore, as you know that how to draw the time reversal sequence. So 2, 1, minus 3. Keep arrow here. So this is n is equal to 0. So you can see that both the sequences are of equal length, and you can find the towards left of n is equal to 0 there are 2 samples here, n is equal to minus 1, n is equal to minus 2. Here also you can find n is equal to minus 1, n is equal to minus 2 sample. Towards right side n is equal to 1 sample is there, n is equal to 1 sample is there, n is equal to 2 sample is there, n is equal to 2 sample is there. So then it is straightforwardly we can add or subtract x of n and x of minus n. So let us rewrite the formula xc of n. So that is equal to x of n plus x of minus n by 2. So while adding, you have to remember that always we have to add the corresponding sample. That means n is equal to minus 2 sample we have to add with n is equal to minus 2 sample. N is equal to minus 1 sample we have to add with the corresponding n is equal to minus 1 sample. N is equal to 0 sample we have to add with n is equal to 0. Like that we have to add the corresponding samples only. So we have to remember while adding this condition. So therefore you can see that minus 3 plus 2, it will become minus 1 by 2. So 1 minus 4 divided by 2, so it will become minus 3 by 2. So 2 plus 2 by 2, so it will become 4 by 2, it will become 2. So minus 1 plus minus 4 plus 1, minus 3, so minus 3 by 2. So last one 2 minus 3 by 2, it will become minus 1 by 2. So keep arrow here. So this is the even component of the given signal x of n. So let us find out the odd component. So I am writing the formula again. X of n is equal to, what is the formula? Simple formula, x of n minus x of minus n by 2. Subtract the corresponding samples. As I said earlier, subtract the corresponding samples. Minus 3 minus 2. So it will become minus 5 by 2. 1 minus of minus 4. It will become plus 4. 1 plus 4, 5. It will become 5 by 2. 5 by 2. 2 minus 2 divided by 2. So it will become 0. Keep arrow here. Towards right side minus 4 minus 1. Minus 5 by 2. So it will become minus 5 by 2. Last one 2 minus of minus 3. It will become plus 3. 2 plus 3 5. So 5 by 2. So this is the odd component of given signal. So in this way you can find out even and odd components. So this case is very easy because the both sequences have same corresponding n values. So let us see the second example of this case. So what is the second question? The second question is, you can see x of n is equal to minus 2, 5, 1, minus 3. So the arrow is given here. So as I said earlier, wherever the arrow, place n is equal to 0 there. First let us find the time reversal of x of n. That means right side samples to the left side and left side samples to the right side. So keep arrow here. So as I said earlier, So we have to add corresponding samples only. So that means here n is equal to minus 1 sample is there, n is equal to minus 2 sample is there. Here n is equal to minus 2 sample is not there. Similarly, it's at right side, n is equal to 1 sample is there, n is equal to 2 sample is not there. But here it has n is equal to 1 sample, n is equal to 2 samples. In that case, what we have to do that, we have to make both sequences x of n and x of minus n equal, so that we can very easily add or subtract both the sequences. So therefore, I write x of n as, so minus 2, minus 5, 1, keep arrow here, minus 3, 0, because wherever okay we require we add 0. Now x of minus n, so add 0 here, minus 3, 1, 5, minus 2. So now you can see that both the sequences are equal. Both the sequences are equal. So therefore you can straightly apply the formula. So therefore xe of n is equal to x of n plus x of minus n by 2. So therefore minus 2 plus 0 by 2, it will become minus 1. 5 minus 3 divided by 2, it will become 1. 1 plus 1 divided by 2, it will become 1. So keep arrow here. Minus 3 plus 5, 2. 2 divided by 2, it will become 1. 0 minus 2. Minus 2 divided by 2, it will become minus 1. So this is the even component. You can check that. So odd component, subtract the corresponding samples. So minus 2 minus 0 by 2, it will become minus 1. 5 minus of minus 3 by 2. So 8 by 2, it will become 4. 1 minus 1, it will become 0. Minus 3 minus 5 by 2. So therefore it will become minus 4. 0 minus of minus 2, it will become 2. So 2 divided by 2, it will become 1. So this is the answer for. So this is the even component answer. This is the odd component answer. So let us, in the similar manner, let us solve the C question and the D question in the same manner. So x of n is equal to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So arrow is given here. So keep n is equal to 0 here. Keep n is equal to 0 here. So first mention the time reversal x of n, that is x of minus n. So bring right side samples to the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is n is equal to 1 sample, we have to place it at n is equal to minus 1. N is equal to 2 sample, we have to place it n is equal to minus 2. Like that, we have to just reverse or fold the sequence to the left side. You can see that in the similar manner, these two sequences are not equal. Let us make these two sequences equal. So I am making the two sequences equal. So you can see that x of minus n has left side 4 samples, but x of n has no 4 samples to the left side. So therefore add 4 samples, 4 zeros, 5 keep here, and 4, 3, 2, 1. Similarly, x of minus n, you can see x of minus n. X of n has right side 4 samples. X of minus n has no samples right side. So let us make zeros right side. So therefore 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 0, 0, 0. So now you can see that both sequences are equal. So now you can easily add the two sequences to find even and odd components. So therefore xe of n is equal to, so x of n plus x of minus n by 2, 0 plus 1 by 2, it will become 1 by 2. So 0 plus 2 divided by 2, it will become 1. 0 plus 3 by 2, it will become 3 by 2. So 0 plus 4 by 2, it will become 2. 5 plus 5 divided by 2, it will become 5. Keep arrow here. 4 plus 0 by 2, it will become 2. 3 plus 0 by 2, it will become 3 by 2. 2 plus 0 by 2, it will become 1. 1 plus 0 by 2, it will become 1 by 2. So this is the even component. So odd component, formula x of n minus x of minus n by 2, 0 minus 1 by 2. So it will become minus 1 by 2. So 0 minus 2 divided by 2, it will become minus 1. So 0 minus 3 divided by 2, it will become minus 3 by 2. So 0 minus 4 by 2, so it will become minus 2. So 5 minus 5, 0 by 2, so 0. So 4 minus 0 by 2, it will become 2. So 3 minus 0 by 2, it will become 3 by 2. 2 minus 0 by 2, it will become 1. So 1 minus 0 by 2, it will become 1 by 2. So this is how to find even component and odd component. So let us solve the question D. X of n is equal to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It is given. So arrow is given here. So this is n is equal to 0. So first let us find out what is x of minus n. So that is time reversed sequence of x of n. That means take all the left side samples to the right side. So therefore 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep arrow here. So this is the time reversed sequence of x of n. Now, so as similar to the previous examples, let us make these two sequences identical so that we can easily find even and odd components. So for this purpose, say I am adding 4 zeros to x of n towards right. So that is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Add 4 zeros to the right. Similarly, to the x of minus n, add 4 zeros to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we can see that we can easily add x of n and minus x of n by position. So we can easily calculate even component and odd component. So therefore let us find out what is xe of n. Xe of n, what is the formula? X of n plus x of minus n by 2. Add the corresponding samples. 5 plus 0 by 2, so that is 5 by 2. 4 plus 0 by 2, it will become 2. 3 plus 0 by 2, it will become 3 by 2. 2 plus 0 by 2, it will become 1. 1 plus 1 by 2, so it will become 1. Keep arrow here. 0 plus 2 by 2, so it will become 1. 0 plus 3 by 2, it will become 3 by 2. So 0 plus 4 by 2, it will become 2. 0 plus 5 by 2, it will become 5 by 2. So this is the sequence even component of x of n. Similarly, odd component of x of n, what is the formula? X of n minus x of minus n by 2. Let us make x of n minus x of minus n by 2. So 5 minus 0 by 2, it will become 5 by 2. 4 minus 0 by 2, it will become 2. 3 minus 0 by 2, it will become 3 by 2. 2 minus 0 by 2, it will become 1. 1 minus 1 by 2, it will become 0. Keep arrow here. So 0 minus 2 by 2, it will become minus 1. So 0 minus 3 by 2, it will become minus 3 by 2. So 0 minus 4 by 2, it will become minus 2. So 0 minus 5 by 2, it will become minus 5 by 2. So in this way you can find out the even and odd components of given signal. You can extend the same concept to any number of problems. In this same manner you can find even and odd components of given discrete time signal. Thank you.